For the most part, college students have read
Keep up
past
with
and
the
keep up
demands
with
of
the
their reading
demands of their
assignments.
reading assignments.
Let's just say that
Let's
the
just
typical
say that
college
the typical
student reads
college student
150 to 300 words per minute.
per minute.
Okay. The professor in the Western Civilization course uses the topics from Chapter 1 of the textbook for 3 lectures the first week of the semester. Each page has about 500 words on it, and that includes space for pictures and drawings. So, at 150 words per minute, each page will take more than 3 minutes to complete, and if my figures are right, that's almost 3 hours just to read the textbook assignment once through. That doesn't even count what you need to do to think and connect the lectures with the book. And you can be sure that there'll be additional reading or other assignments besides the lectures and the textbook. Have you heard about the times 2 rule? Doesn't that mean a student should spend 2 hours of study time for every hour of class time in every subject? Exactly. Okay. I think you'll agree that reading faster is important to success in college. So it's only practical to learn to read faster. And that's why I'm going to talk with you about the human capacity for reading, and some habits that you may have that may be slowing you down. First, I want you to think about reading like you think about running. The more you run, the faster and farther you can go. And the more you read, the faster you're going to read. In fact, researchers hypothesize that our physical capacity to read surpasses our ability to turn the pages. In other words, our brains can take in the information faster than our hands can move. So reading 700 to 1,000 words a minute should be a reasonable goal for almost everyone. That'd be quite a time saver, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it sure would.
Now, let's talk about why most of us probably aren't reading at that speed, at 1,000 words a minute. Why we're not doing that now. We know that we have the capacity, that our brains can take it in. But there are a few habits that prevent readers from reaching that target speed of 700 to 1,000 words. In the first place, some people are auditory readers. That means that they hear every word in their minds. Some people even move their lips so they seem to be speaking while they're reading. This is a serious problem because we can only speak about 300 words per minute, but our capacity to read is many times faster. So if you're hearing the words in your head or moving your lips, you know that you're preventing your mind from processing as fast as it can. Can any of you relate to that? I can. I hear every word. A lot of people do. Now, another problem is something called fixations. Fixations are the actual pauses that the eye makes. We can't see while the eye's moving, so we have to stop to take in the text. Everyone has to fixate to see the print, but some people, they stop their eyes on every single word, and that will really slow you down. So if you're looking at every word, or even at every few words, that habit's something to work on. When you're not reading word by word, your mind has to connect and build associations and patterns. You can do this because so much of a written text is redundant. That means there's a lot of repetition. So quite a few words can be skipped without losing the meaning.
So you're saying we should try to guess the meaning?
I think I would use the term predict rather than guess. But basically the answer to your question is yes. Now this may surprise you. Using a dictionary is a good habit, right? Well, yes, in moderation. But stopping to look up every new word's a bad habit, because you don't need to know every word in order to understand what you're reading. Remember what I just said about redundancy? So, stopping to use the dictionary too often, that interrupts your train of thought and prevents you from reaching your potential reading speed. I've heard that before, and it makes sense, but you're afraid to try it? That's probably true. Well, I'll come back to that in a minute. First, I want to point out one more problem. A lot of readers go back over the words they've already read to clarify the meaning. But this is probably the worst habit, because when we're repeating twice or even more times, that causes our reading speed to drop, and it goes to 50 or even 30% of our capacity. Did I mention that this is called regression? Okay. Well, this regression not only slows us down,
them.
also makes it
It
more
also
difficult
makes
to
it difficult to
understand the
understand the
meaning
meaning because
the way that we
the way that we
comprehend, we
comprehend,
understand,
we understand by
by
connecting with the next
So
phrase.
going back
So
all the
going back
time
all
makes
the
us
time
lose the
makes us lose
connections.
the connections.
And this
And
is
this
really
is what's
important
really
in all of
important to
this.
know of this.
Research
Research
demonstrates a correlation
between
speed
speed
and
and comprehension.
In an
In
overwhelming
an
number of
overwhelming
cases,
number of
when
cases, when
students
students increase their reading
they
speed,
also
they
increase
also
their
increase their
comprehension
comprehension
of
of
the
the
material.
material.
So
So
how
how can you do this?
First, break the
break
habits
the
that are
habits
causing
they
you to
are
read slowly.
causing you
Don't
to read
think
slowly.
the
Don't
words in
think
your
the
head
word in your
or
head
move
or
your lips
move
to
your
sound
lips
out
to
each
sound
word.
out each
Don't
word.
let your eyes
Don't
pause
use
on every
words
word.
pausing
Don't
every
look
word.
up
Don't look
every
up
new
every
word
new
in the
word in
dictionary.
the dictionary.
And try not to go
Try
back
not to
over
go
paragraphs
over paragraphs and
sentences that you've already
sentences
read.
that you've already
But that's
read.
hard to do if you
But
have
that
these
hard
habits,
to
isn't
do
it?
if you have it,
Especially
isn't it?
if you're also
Especially
trying
if
to
you're also
read in
trying
order
to
to learn
read
a new
in order to
subject.
learn a new subject.
That's why you're
That's
afraid
why
to
you're
try it.
afraid to try it.
Because
Because
you have to
you
learn
have
the
to learn the
content
content in order to pass the course.
and you don't
And
want
you
to try
don't want
something
to
new
try
to take
something
a
new
risk.
to take a risk. Yeah,
That's about the size of it.
that's about the size of
Well,
it.
I understand
Well, I
that.
understand that.
But you can
But
take
you
a
can
risk
take a
and try to
risk and
change
try
some
to
of those
change some
habits.
of those
But it
habits, but
helps
it
if
helps
you do it
if
in a
you do it
structured
in a
environment,
structured environment.
like the Learning Center.
Like the learning
It's
center,
free,
it's free, and
you'll more than
you
make
more
up for
than
the time
make
you
up
spend in
for
one
the
of the reading
spending
courses
on
they
the
offer when you begin to read
when you
all of your
begin to
assignments
read
at
all
twice the speed you're
assignments
reading
and
them now.
twice the speed you're reading
For the
now.
most part, college students don't read fast enough to keep